In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. When Vanish mode is on, your messages will disappear after the chat is closed. If you want to keep your messages and disable this feature, it's a simple process. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to your DMs by tapping on this button at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap and select the conversation you want to disable the Vanish mode for. Then tap on their username at the top left. And then tap Privacy and Safety. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Vanish mode option, which is currently enabled. To turn off Vanish mode, simply toggle off this switch here. There is another way to quickly enable and disable Vanish mode. Tap and hold an empty space on your screen, and then swipe up. Vanish mode is now enabled. To turn it off, tap and hold, and swipe up. Vanish mode is now disabled. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.